How to add any clickable link to your TikTok bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can add any type of clickable link to your TikTok bio. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do that. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simply select any of the link which I actually want to add. So let's say I want to actually add a certain website or a YouTube video link. I'm going to simply select and copy the link first of all. So make sure you have actually copied the link in the first place. I'm going to simply select it. And then I'm going to tap on share, and then I'm going to copy a link. Now your link can be different than mine, but you simply want to make sure that you have copied it. After I actually copy the link, I'm going to simply go ahead and make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You could actually make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. If you're not using the latest version of TikTok, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, you'll be able to see the update button. Tap on the update button to actually update the app to the latest version. Once we've updated TikTok, I'm going to open it. And the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are actually logged into your account. And after you are logged in, we are going to go to our profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once we tap on our profile icon, what we could basically do is simply tap on the edit profile button, which is at the top of the screen right over here. As we tap on the edit profile, here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Now, right here under the About Us section, you would actually be able to find the two options, which is called bio and website. Now you could basically have the bio option anywhere, but in order to actually enable this website option, you want to make sure you have at least over 1,000 followers. If you don't have over 1,000 followers, you would not be actually able to see the website button. So what we can do is simply tap on the edit profile, and let's say I add a link to this website, and then I go ahead and simply paste the link right over here, and then I tap on save. Once I tap on save, I'm going to come back and let's go and try to click this link. You can see that it is actually clickable and it is going to open up in a new window. However, let us assume that you don't have over 1,000 followers, and then I still tap on edit profile. First of all, I'm going to remove the website link which I added right over here. Let's say that you don't have over 1,000 followers and you want to add a clickable link, but then what you can do is simply tap on this bio button which you see. As you tap on bio, let me go ahead and paste the link right over here. I'm going to simply go ahead and paste the link to my bio if you don't have over 1,000 followers, and then I'm going to tap on the save button, and then I'm going to come back. You can see the link has been added, but then you don't actually get to click the link right over here. You can see it is not actually clickable. So the bottom line is that you would actually need to have over 1,000 followers, and then you will enable the website option. And in the website option, if you go ahead and paste in a link, it is going to be clickable, but if you add it in the bio section, then it is not going to be clickable. That is simply the conclusion of this video. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.